So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Yes, I did just wake up. And yes, I am starting and filming a video for you guys first thing in the morning. Let's get right to it. There's a lot going on, and I just want to wrap up the books. But I just want to make a quick summation of all the money that I've received from the US stimulus bill, and as well as from the government during the coronavirus pandemic. I am an Uber and a Lyft driver, entrepreneur, YouTuber, small business owner. So I'm like a typical average person. You're probably watching this. If you are an Uber or Lyft driver, you are technically also a small business owner. So we kind of all probably fit into this similar situation. The only difference most likely between me and you, well, maybe you do have this set up, but I have an LLC company. So for my Uber business, Lyft business, everything is set up to the LLC, and then I pay myself out as an employee. So I technically am an employee, but you know, I also own a small business. But a lot of these things I will talk about if you're just an independent contractor or part-time driver, so how it might relate to you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Use the link down below for GetUpside if you want to save up to 40 cents off per gallon of your gas. You can get the money back for, I actually don't even pay for Starbucks anymore because I get gift cards for my gas. So it's like I basically pay, you have to pay full price for the gas, but then you get points for gift cards and stuff, or cash for gift cards. I get Starbucks, Amazon. Actually don't even pay for anything on Amazon anymore, which is so weird. But yeah, I use GetUpside. You can too. Or you can get the money sent to your PayPal account, which I actually do now, more PayPal too. I just have a bunch of leftover stuff, so I just got the money into my account, in my bank account. So yeah, but without further ado, let's hop right into it. So PPP, let's talk about PPP really quick. What's PPP? Paycheck Protection Program. It's basically a program set in place for small business owners, for independent contractors, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash drivers, whatever. For self-employed people too, I believe. Yeah. So if you're self-employed, you're pretty much a business owner. So whether or not you have it set up through an S Corp, an LLC, or whether you just get a 1099, you're managing a business. That's how it works, right? So you can apply for the PPP. Will you get approved? Well, that's debatable. I do believe there are still funds left. So I personally applied for the PPP, Paycheck Protection Program. Wow, I look so tired. I'm sorry guys, but you just have to forgive me for this one time. By the way, a lot of people are commenting that I have bedhead. This is like my hairstyle. Like I know it's like really long and I don't know what to do with it, but like, I don't know. This is what my hair looks like. I'm sorry for everyone. So you can stop commenting, brush your hair, brush your hair, brush your hair. This is just what my hair looks like right now. I don't want to pay for a haircut, okay? Okay, so for PPP, I applied. So it's a forgivable loan. You have to use the funds for a specific, I guess, allocation. So you can use the funds for, if you use the funds for payroll, basically your paycheck, it will be forgiven. The thing is though, it's only the only forgivable amount, I believe, is your net income, not your revenue, not your gross income. So I think a lot of people were applying saying, you know, they make 5,000 bucks a month, 8,000 bucks a month, but their net is only like $2,000 a month. So you have to, I think, like for me, I get, like I said before, I have it all set up through a business and I have a paycheck every month. Like I literally get a check. Well, it's like a deposit, but I have direct deposit set up, but it's like as if I go to a normal job and they send me a check. But the only difference is I'm paying myself. So I have my own salary. I have a finite amount. I get $2,000 every single month. Like it's the same. So so I got 2.5 times that amount, 5,000 bucks. Really easy. I already have that, you know, all my tax documents just showing that. Here I get $2,000 a month. I get the $5,000 check. Here I use that for 2,000 for 2.5 months. That's $5,000. Boom, forgiven. Really easy, right? For other drivers, for the Uber, Lyft drivers, it might be a little bit more difficult because you have to show that you use that funds to pay yourself out. I don't really know. You're gonna have to talk to your bank, whoever you applied through. I applied through B of A, Bank of America. They're really good about it. They're super simple, easy. They have it all straightforward. The next one, EIDL. This is the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. This is the loan. Like this is the loan for small businesses during the pandemic. PPP, like, okay, so the purpose of the PPP is to keep people employed. To keep, basically, it's forgivable. It's basically meant for small businesses who have like a few employees, and if they keep them employed, they get those, that loan is completely forgiven. That's a great loan. The EIDL though, that's just a loan. Like, here's some money to hold you over, and then you have to pay us back. The cool thing about the EIDL though is that they have a forgivable advance of the loan of up to $1,000 per employee. And I believe it's only up to $10,000. So if you have a company with 10 employees, you should get 10 grand. But for me, like I told you guys before, it's good I told you guys the backer story because now you guys will understand. I have a company, but I'm the one employee. I'm the owner and the employee, the owner and the worker. So I got the advance of $1,000. If I had more employees, I would get up to 10 grand. Might as well hire 9 people really quick, so just so I can get that, and then fire them all. No, I'm just kidding. So, but yeah, if you're an Uber driver, Lyft driver, you can still apply for that. But just know that, like, I got approved, or I guess I'm eligible for a loan of up to 44,000 bucks. At a 3.75% interest rate, 30-year term. So I have 30 years to pay the loan off, but I don't want to get that loan because I don't want a loan. I don't need a loan. I don't need money to pay it off. Free $1,000, sure, I'll take that. That's what I got. I just got the advance of the loan, so the advance is forgivable. The only confusing part now is that I got both PPP and EIDL, and when I did apply for the PPP, they asked me if I had received the EIDL. I said no, because I hadn't. And then a month later, I did get the EIDL. So I need to talk to that's on my to-do list. I need to talk to my accountant this week to see if I need to pay back the EIDL or not. I don't think I do though. It literally looks like someone just sent me straight up cash. Like, who am I gonna have to pay that back to? I got no term amount for that. They just sent a deposit. So I don't know. I don't think I need to pay that back, but it's always good to double check. EBT, actually, so my income, guys, is super, super low. So I think I might, I don't know, I might actually apply for EBT, which is the food, basically food stamps, just because it would be nice to get free food. Food is, like, I guess, one of my biggest costs right now besides rent. So obviously I can't get free rent, but if well, maybe I could. No, but I think I might get EBT just so I can get the food stamps, free food. But I need to look into that as well. I know some people have been getting that, so yeah. I'm a very frugal guy, as you can tell. I'm not living in this car, but I'm in this $5,000 car that I bought, that I have paid off. So I don't like having, oh god, don't like having payments. So that's why I don't have a car payment on this car, and I'm not going to ever finance a car unless it's a company car. Okay, the next one, Uber sick pay. This is an interesting one. For Uber sick pay, got denied for Lyft. I applied for Lyft sick pay, got denied and got deactivated. I need to get a doctor's note from my doctor saying that I'm good to drive again. They're like so easy to deactivate me. Now to get my account back, they're like making it so difficult. Didn't get approved for that one. You need to have done 5 hours. 5 hours per week on average for the past 4 weeks at the date you applied. So the date I applied, I had already stopped driving for like 2-3 months because of COVID and everything. I think I just wasn't driving at the time either. So for Lyft, I think I'd taken some time off anyway. So I didn't apply. I didn't get approved for that. For Uber, I didn't apply for sick pay for Uber because I knew I probably wasn't going to get approved. The stimulus check, no stimulus check. Still haven't received my stimulus check. Where's my $1,200? Not exactly sure. Maybe it got lost in the mail. I'm not sure. I'd never received that stimulus check. That's about it, guys. How am I making money right now? The ads on this YouTube channel and the GetUpside link down below. That's literally my income right now. So I'm trying to save money on gas so I don't have to, you know, spend my money on gas. So if you use my link down below for GetUpside, that would help me out a lot because I would help me save me money on gas too. And you can save money on gas too or get cash back. So I can redeem it for like stuff for like free Starbucks and all that. Yeah, so anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day. Again, use the link down below for GetUpside if you want to save up to 25 cents off per gallon of gas. Have a great day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching this. I think we are all wrapped up on these benefits for Uber and Lyft drivers, so it's time to close the books. And yeah, let's move on to bigger and better things. I'm gonna start driving for Uber, I believe, soon. So I don't know, I'm trying to get used to wearing a mask. It's a little bit difficult with glasses. They tend to fog up a bit. All right, guys, no matter how I wear the mask, I can't figure it out. If you wear glasses with the mask, let me know how to do it properly. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.